Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese at home with lemon. First, gather your ingredients: 1 gallon of whole milk, 2 to 3 lemons, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need a large pot, a colander, and some cheesecloth. Make sure all your equipment is sparkling clean and ready to go. This simple process yields delicious, fresh cheese. Next, pour your whole milk into the large pot. Place it over medium heat. Stir the milk continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and burning. You want to bring the milk to a gentle simmer, aiming for a temperature of about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for proper curd formation and ensures a good yield for your homemade cheese.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. On another note, keeping your kitchen clean after making cheese is easy with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles pet hair and crumbs effortlessly. Check the description for a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your milk reaches the correct temperature, remove the pot from the heat. Now, add about 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Stir the mixture very gently for about 1 minute. You'll quickly see the milk begin to separate into curds and whey. Let it rest undisturbed for 10 minutes to allow the separation to complete. Now, prepare your draining station. Line a colander with 2 layers of cheesecloth and place it over a large bowl to catch the whey. Carefully pour the curdled milk into the cheesecloth-lined colander. Gather the corners of the cheesecloth and gently squeeze to press out any remaining liquid. The more you press, the firmer your cheese will be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.